Vaccinate, vaccinate, vaccinate.
That's what
And
our
to
medical
try
experts
to
want to
have
see happen. The problem is the state and city have already begun to run out of COVID-19 vaccines.
our government, and whether it's local, city, or state, or Washington, really gets their act together and vaccinate. That's the only thing, the only worry I have.
The worry from Dr. Peter Polizzi, a virologist with Mount Sinai Hospital, is not an isolated one. In fact, messages like this are being delivered to New Yorkers who already have existing appointments. Now they're rescheduled to the following week, but there is no assurance supplies will keep up even then. It's why the mayor is calling for doses being held to be released.
To free up that supply of second doses, to not hold them in reserve for weeks, not keep them in a refrigerator, but put them in people's arms.
As a new presidential administration is sworn into office today, there is renewed hope the supply chain will suddenly improve. However, complicating matters even worse for New York City, an unexpected delay in more than 100,000 vaccines from Moderna. According to city health officials, it's not due to quality or safety issues, but instead because of simple logistics. Approximately 65,000 vaccines are given out a day in New York. Statewide, 86% of the doses available have already been given out. More than 145,000 first doses still remain, but the governor says that's only a supply that will last 2 to 3 days at most.
As we move allocation faster, the vaccines are becoming more scarce and harder to find. Fairness becomes more important.
Meanwhile, senior centers working around the clock to make sure everyone knows how to get an appointment and where to go.
It's also hard, particularly for some older adults, to navigate this digitally, right? We're seeing that in order to get an appointment, you have to sign up online. There's a couple different websites. There's 2 places to call. It's just creating a lot of barriers to access for people.
In Midtown, Narmeen Chaudhry, Pix 11 News.